If you are a growing business looking for a tool that's easy to adapt, align seamlessly with your team, and actually scales as you grow, you have come to the right place. Vivixo is the ultimate WhatsApp automation platform that helps you generate more leads, engage faster, and never miss a potential client. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Vivixo helps you automate conversation, broadcast messages, streamline team collaboration, and help you close more deals, all through a single powerful dashboard. Hello, I'm Sonia, and I'll show you how to set up your Vivixo account. To begin, open your browser and type here vivixo.io. Once the website loads, feel free to explore our features, check out the pricing, our policies, take time to get familiar with what we offer. When you are ready, click on Start for free. You will be redirected to this registration page. Here you will see two options to sign up. The first option is to sign up using Google and other is the manual option. To sign up using Google, just click on Google button, select your account and click on continue. Your account will be instantly created. Super quick, right? Or if you prefer to sign up manually, simply enter your name, email, your phone number and password. Make sure you accept terms and conditions, then click on create account. That's it. Your account is now set up and is ready to get started with Vivixo. Once you have joined your number, your account will be automatically on the free plan since you are a new user. To upgrade, simply head over to the plan section. Here you will see all the available plans laid out for you, along with the features included in each one. Take a moment to review them and choose the plan that best fits your need. When you are ready, click on this green switch button. This will take you to the payment gateway. Click on Start Subscription. You will see two payment options. You can proceed with either card or UPI. If you want to use UPI, click on Show QR and a QR code will appear. Just scan it with your UPI app like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm and complete the payment. If you prefer to pay by card, enter your card number, expiry date, cardholder name and CVV. You can also choose to save your card for future transaction. Then click on Pay Now. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter it over here, verify and complete the payment. Once that's done, come back to this page and refresh it once. That's it. Your account now will be updated to the plan you have selected. Once your account is successfully created, you will be redirected straight to this setup page. Here, you will need to create your Facebook business account and join your phone number with the platform. Click on WhatsApp Setup. A small window will open asking you to log in to Facebook. Let's log in. If you are already logged in, you will be automatically to the next page. This page will appear. You don't have to do anything over here. Just click on continue. If you already have WhatsApp business account linked to this Facebook ID, it will appear over here as you will click on it. You can see the existing one or create the new one. To create new one, click on create business portfolio. Then select create WhatsApp business account and click on next. On the left, you will see 4 dots, which shows that there are only 4 steps to join your WhatsApp number with the account. Step 2, fill out your business details, account name, email, business category, nation and website, and the time zone if your number is not an Indian number. The website is important. Meta requires it to verify your business, so you cannot create WhatsApp business account without one. Let's fill out these details. Make sure it doesn't have any special character, okay? No hyphen or an underscore will work over here. Click on next. Now the most important step. Up until now, we have been providing personal and company details. Here you will enter the phone number you want to join. This is crucial. The number must be fresh. That means it should not have any existing WhatsApp account linked to it. If your number already has WhatsApp, you will need to delete that account first. Not just uninstall the app, but delete that account from WhatsApp settings. Keep in mind, this will remove you from any WhatsApp group you are a part of. Select your country code, India. Enter the number here. Choose how you want to receive the verification code, via SMS or call, and click on next. Okay. In the next step, simply enter the OTP you received and you are done. You have successfully created your WhatsApp business account and it's that simple. Let me show you how WhatsApp account looks like. I'll log out of this account and sign in to another ID that is already set up. Let's log out from here and log into another ID. On this account, my WhatsApp is already set up. You can see on the right side here successfully. Okay. Now let's do couple of steps. Reconnect. I'm showing this only for you to see how it will look like. Once your account is already joined, you don't have to do this again. Okay. When you have successfully joined the number, you will see screen like this. To import new contacts, go to contact on the left. Select group. The first step is to create a group. I'll name this one sample one, but feel free to use any name that works for you. Once you create it, you will see the group appear here with 0 contacts. Don't worry, we'll add them in a moment. Now click on Import Contacts. Select your file. It needs to be in CSV format. Here's the structure your file should follow. The first row must include the phone number as the first column, followed by name as the second column. This is the important order. It has to be phone number first, then name. These two fields are mandatory. After that, you can add any additional columns you need, like email, tags, location, or as per your requirements. Okay. Next, choose the group where you want to import these contacts. Okay. Here's something very useful. You can add new contacts in an existing group as well. So updating your list is easy. Click on import and you are all set. Now go back to group and you will see the contact counts has been updated. You can now view other groups here too. You can see. One more thing, you can add custom fields as well. Just click on fields, then add fields. Enter the name and type and hit save. By default, you already have email and country field available. Rest as per your requirement, you can add new. This is your Vivixo dashboard. Let's take a quick tour so you know where everything is. At the top, you will see all the shortcut buttons. These are here to save you time. You can quickly create a new template, build a bot, add contacts or launch a campaign, all with just one click. Over on the left side, there your vertical navigation bar. Think of this as your main control panel. From here, you can access all the core sections like chats, campaign, templates, flow, contacts, and more. And just below these shortcut buttons, you will notice a set of small summary cards. These gives you a quick snapshot of your account at a glance. Things like total campaign, the status of your last campaign, how many templates you have created, your total saved contacts, and the number of reply bots you have set up. Everything you need where you need it. To start any WhatsApp campaign, your message must first be approved from Meta as a template. So this step is really important. Let's head over to the template section. Here you will see a list of all the approved templates. As you can scroll down, at the top you'll find 3 buttons: Sync, Create Template, and WhatsApp Manager. To create new template, click on Create Template. A new screen will open where you'll need to fill out few details. First, give your template name, then choose template category. You can choose marketing, utility, anything. Select language you want to use, Hindi, English, or any other language. Next, choose your header type. You can go with none, image, videos, or PDF depending on what fits your message objective. This is the main content of your message. You can also add a footer if you would like. That's completely optional. And finally, decide if you want to include buttons, the call to action buttons like quick replies, call to phone number, or anything. On the right side, you will see a live preview of your message, which will show you exactly how your message will appear on the WhatsApp. That's really helpful, right? Let's create a sample template to show you how it works. Okay. I'll name it sample 1. Choose category utility. Language, let's keep it English only. Header, none. Now let's go with hello. Let's add the variable, okay? Variable gives you dynamic message, okay? Okay, hello, how are you? Let's name it Sonia. Let's also add some buttons. Button 1, good. Button 2, okay. Once everything looks good, yes, click on Save Template. Yes. Now let's check where it appears. Your template will be sent to Meta for approval. This usually takes up to 24 hours, but in most of the cases, it gets approved in 10 minutes. Let's run your first campaign. Head over to the campaign section. Here you will see the list of all your past campaign along with the performance stat. Since this is your first campaign, you won't see anything over here. To launch a new one, click on Send New Campaign. Start by entering campaign name. Let's go with campaign 1. Scamp 1. Okay. Then choose approved template you want to use. Next, select the contact group you want to target. Let's go with trial. Now, if you would like to schedule a campaign for later, you can set a date and time. But here's something important to know. Whatever time you select, the message will be delivered to each contact based on their time zone. For example, if you scheduled a campaign for 6 pm and your group contain both Indian and US numbers, message will be delivered separately. At 6 pm IST, it will be delivered to the Indian numbers and at 6 pm local time for the US numbers. Pretty smart, right? But for now, we'll skip scheduling and launch it immediately. Okay. If your selected template includes media like image, video, or PDF, you will be prompted to upload it over here. Since we created a dynamic template earlier, we need to select what data should appear in here. Since everything is set, click on Send Campaign and boom, you are live. You can track a performance of your campaign right here, including how many contacts it was sent to, how many messages read and delivered. For deeper analysis, click on campaign name. You can also download a detailed report based on your action. Just select the status using the checkbox. Let's go with delivered and sent and hit download report. That's it. We provide two types of bot system, reply bot and flow bot, also known as flow maker. Let's explore reply bot first. In reply bot, we offer two powerful options, template bot and message bot. Let's start with template bots. Click on template based bots. With template bots, you can choose pre-approved templates from your existing templates. Set a reply type, enter a trigger word and apply. It's perfect for sending verified structured messages quickly. Let's make one. Name bot 1. Select template, trigger and trigger word hello. So how does this work? Whenever a user texts you hello, this bot will be triggered automatically even at 3 am. Hit apply. Now let's test this. Let's go to WhatsApp and text here hello and enter. And here it is. Now let's look at the message bot. This one lets you write your own custom bot message. Simply define the message body. Let's create one here as well. Bot name, message bot, body, hello, how can I help you? Then choose your reply type. Here you get three options: exact match, message contain, and first message. As the name suggests, exact match will trigger when only trigger word is sent by the user. Message contain if the message sent by the user contain trigger words. And first message if user sent a message for the first time or after a very long time. Enter trigger word help. The header and footer are optional. We provide two types of call to action buttons, simple reply button or redirecting URL buttons. Choose what works best for you and you are good to go. Both options help you automate conversation in just few clicks. Here, let's go with simple button, good ID, good01, okay, ID okay01 and hit save. Let's test this as well. Let's go to WhatsApp, help, and enter. And here it is. Easy, right? Now let's explore Flowbot or Flowmaker. This is one of the most powerful and advanced system we offer. With this, you get advanced chatbot flow with conditional branching, API integration, and LLM support. Head over to the flow section, click on create flow, give your flow a name. Let's call this one demo. Then click on insert. Now click on Flowmaker. This is your workflow canvas. On the left side, you will see all the nodes and tools available to build your flow. The white palette is for your standard flow nodes, and the black palette is where you'll find the AI-powered modules. Let's build a flow to see how this works. Start with keyword trigger node. Make it small. Set the trigger word to help. Configure to exact match. Now add a message node. Message with button. Body hello. How can I help you? Please select an option below. Add 3 button components. You can add more than 3 buttons, but for the example, let's keep with 3 buttons. 3 buttons. Button 1, payment related. Button 2, need technical support. Button 3, let's connect them. You can also put header and footer, but we'll skip for the time being. Okay. Now let's connect this. Now these 3 buttons will create separate branches. Let's shift this. For the payment related, let's make it with PDF. Please go through these documents. Let's upload the PDF. Okay. Because the type is PDF, so only PDF format will be uploaded. Okay. With next is message. Hold tight. Our agent will call you in 5 to 10 minutes. For technical support, let's go with message again. Give me 5 minutes. Let me transfer you to the backend team. Connect here as well. This node, this, and this. Yeah. Now let's add the transfer agent node. Okay. It will be in the advanced API. Yeah. Assign agent. Go to yeah. Now for this you must have created the agent that we will show you later or in the another video. Okay. We have created the dummy agent Shubham. Let's assign to Shubham and add the end node and connect all 3. This and this, and hit the save button. This is a basic decision tree, but you can build much more complex workflows with nested conditions and multi-level routing based on your needs. Now let me show you how to navigate AI models into your flow. Let's close this and create another flow. Flow name demo 2. Insert Flowmaker. Add trigger keyword. Let's make it small. Enter keyword. Make it AI. Okay. Now add ask question and type here hello. How can I help you? Variable name user response. Okay, now let's add LLM model. Yes, yeah. Select your LLM. As you can see, we offer many models, but we recommend sticking with GPT or Gemini since these models are more advanced and deliver reliable context aware responses. Let me connect these nodes. Okay, now let's give system prompt. Let's keep the system prompt same. If you want, you can change it. And for user prompt, write something like you are a service agent helping people navigate. Set the variable name as AI response. Okay, then add send message node. Okay, now map it to the variable AI response message to deliver the AI generated replies. Okay, now let's connect these nodes. You can also route the chat to live agents, escalate the support group, or simply add the flow. For now, we are creating a loop to keep the conversation going. This is a basic AI powered flow, but you can scale it up with session management, dynamic variable, and multi-turn context handling depending on your use case. You can even train the AI using RAG, that's retrieval augmented generation. Just upload your website or documentation. Let me enter our Vivexo URL, vivexo.io, and the AI will index that content and respond to user queries based on it. Super powerful for building context awareness automation, right? Now this is just a basic setup to get you started. We have uploaded a complete guide for advanced flow on our channel where we dive deeper into complex workflow, API integration and advanced automation. You'll find the link in the description below. So make sure to check out if you want to take your flow to the next level. Let's explore a reminder feature. This is designed to send automated reminder messages to our customer. It consists of 3 parts. The first part is source. This is a preference based, meaning you can either send reminder to everyone or filter specific criteria. For example, you can let's create the source. WhatsApp text. Insert. Let's create another. Appointment. Insert. These are just examples. You can create them based on your business needs. Next, go to the reminder section. Think of reminder as an ongoing automated campaign. You define your preference, like when the campaign should be triggered, and it will send you reminder messages automatically. Let's create a reminder to see how it works. Click on Add New Reminder. Enter a reminder name, then select a template you want to use. Since this is a campaign base, the message need to be pre-approved template. So choose one from your list. Name, demo, template. Let's select this. Now select the source. Define when it should trigger and choose the reminder type, either before event or after event. Then set the reminder unit. Do you want it in hours, days or weeks? And specify the timing, like 2 hours before or 3 hours after the event. Once everything is configured, click on Apply. Select value if there is any variable in your template and check everything, and then click on Save Reminder Campaign. This is a third step in creating a reservation, which you will do whenever you want to schedule a reminder. Go to the reservation section. Here you will find all your scheduled reservation. Click on Add New Reservation. Enter sender's contact detail through the scroll down. Select the source. Set the reservation start date and meeting end date. Then click on Insert. And you are done. Now, whenever the reservation is scheduled, the reminder message will be sent automatically based on the rules you have set up. Let's explore the chat section. To view conversation with your client, head over to the chat section. Here you'll find all your ongoing, past and new conversation in one unified inbox. Let's click any of the chat. You can also reply the clients directly. Send new media files. Let's try one. Select and send. Let's check what's up. There it is. You can also send templates as a reply. Select the template, verify the variable and media and hit send. Let's try that one as well. Any template, let's go with this. Select the media and send. Okay. Next is the quick replies. This is my personal favorite feature. Most of the time we end up typing the same message again and again. Instead of doing that, you can create instant replies and send them whenever needed with just one single click. To create quick replies, click on Manage Quick Replies. Window will open. Click on Create New Replies. Enter the reply name, reply text and optionally a trigger word. Let's create one together. Name, help, reply text, hello, how can I help you? How can I help you? Trigger word, help. Then click on insert. You can skip the trigger word if you want, it's optional. And done. You can also update and delete replies anytime. Now, how to use it? Let's go back to the chats. Instant replies. Click on quick replies. This list will appear. Click on any reply you want to send. Go to reply. And there it is. Everything pre-written. Just click on send. Super fast, super efficient. On the right side, you will see all your client interaction options. You can update client details, assign the chats to an agent, send email, write notes, view conversations, send SMS, or even integrate with your Shopify and WooCommerce store. Let's try everything one by one. First, let's assign this chat to an agent and update this client details. Okay, I'll assign this chat to Abhinav. Now let's edit this client details. Scroll down, edit. Let's rename from Genesis Flare Technologies to GFT. Scroll down, update. You are redirected to the contact page. You can see the update over here. Select, let's say GFT. Here it is. Yeah. Now let's explore next option. Let's go to mail. You can either select the pre-written templates or compose a new mail from the scratch. Once you are done, just click on send. If you need help in setting up your email integration, check out our dedicated mail setup video and you will find the link in the description. Now let's create a note. Click on notes, ads. Let's create something. Okay. Let's say the GST of this company has been prepaid. And add. This helps your team to keep in loop. Okay. Next, see reservation section. Let's see reservation section. You will see all the reservation records associated with this client over here. To send SMS, go to SMS section. You will see recipient mobile number over here. You can either choose a pre-written template or send a new message and hit send. And you are done. For detailed setup on setting up SMS, we have a separate video available on Vivixo YouTube channel. You can find it in the description as well. And to set up WooCommerce and Shopify integration, you'll find dedicated tutorial on Vivixo channel as well. Everything you need to manage client conversation all at one place. Now let's explore the agent section. In our platform, we provide team access as well, so your entire team can deliver seamless support to your clients. On Vivixo, you can create unlimited agents and they will be using same WhatsApp number. This means you maintain master access and full control while your team handles client conversation efficiently. It's perfect for scaling support without losing oversight. To create an agent, go to agent section. On the left, You will find all your existing agents listed here. To add new one, click on Add New Agent. Simply enter agent name, email and password and click on Insert and you are done. Share this email and password with your team members. You can monitor agent activity and even log in as an agent to see their view. If you want to control what chats agent can access, head over to the app section. Here you can decide whether agents see all chats or only the assigned chats to them. Just toggle Show Only Assigned Chat to Agents on or off based on your preference. Now let's see what an agent can actually access. Head over to the agent section again. Now click on Login As. Agent will only see the chats assigned to them. When they click on client details, the phone number will be masked for privacy and security. Agent can also send campaign and view campaign analytics, so they have the tools they need to stay productive without accessing sensitive information. Let's log in as an agent. Log out from this device first. You have to follow the same steps. Go to vivixo.io. Click on login. Enter agent's email, password and login. The dashboard will look like this. It's clean and intuitive. Agent can access all their chats from here and they can also view messages and campaign from this section. Everything they need is right at their fingertips, making it easier for them to stay productive and responsive. And there you have it, a quick tour of the Vivixo automation platform. In this video, we have seen how to set up account, create template, launch campaign, create bot flows. This is just the basic. Vivixo dashboard is packed with more automation tools designed to save time, boost engagement, and help your business scale faster. These are just the basic. There's more waiting for you to explore.